Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Hey, I was having technical difficulties, but we back, sis. Period. So this video is all about the unit that I am wearing right now. Honestly, I love it. However, we was nervous. We didn't know what was going to happen. So if you want to see how I just style this down, how I style it, if you want to see all that good, make sure you continue to watch. But before we get into the tutorial and the review, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Hope to see you guys in my next one. Let's get right into it. Mwah. Okay, you guys, so you just saw the lay down. Let's get right into all of the deets and the specs of this wig. This wig is from the vendor SunnyMay. It comes in this box right here, and in the box, of course, it comes with the wig, and then it comes with a pair of fashion lashes, which I probably won't use. These will probably work to like cut them up and like use them for something else. And then it also comes with the weaving cap. Something else I probably wouldn't use. I prefer when they send the regular wig caps, but hey, it is what it is. So that is how the wig comes. This is a pixie cut wig. On the site it does say that it's 6 inches, but I believe it's just speaking to the frontal part of it that is 6 inches, and it is a, so this is a 13 by 4 frontal, and I believe that is the part that they consider 6 inches. So it's perfect to keep that in mind, because the back, as you can see, is more like a pixie cut. It kind of gives you that 27-piece look. I do have a little bit of a hump here because my hair is not cornrowed flat. I have a little bun in it. So you want to make sure that you're not like me, and you want to make sure that you braid your hair flat. A weaving like the beehive kind of style would probably work best if you have hair that's like the length of mine and the thickness of mine, because you don't want to have it so that it's like that little hump, but it doesn't look that bad. But it comes all the way down to the back of my neck, and you just want to make sure you the BDBs so you can't tell, because that's the worst. Like you have on a straight hair wig and you're natural, and then like your real hairs on the back is out. So I kept it long because I just wanted to make sure that it covered the nape of my neck. And I do actually like the way I did it in the back. Kind of did it like a slick down here, especially on the side. And of course I bleached the knots. Did not show how to do that on camera. If you want to see how I bleach my knots, I did recently upload a tutorial about that, so I will put that up in the cards right here, so you can go ahead and check that out when you're done watching this video. So yeah, all I did was just like, you know, throw a little bit of, I razored it to be a little bit of a V right here on this side, kind of through this back, so it would give you that kind of like wild kind of sexy vixen look, because I didn't want to give auntie, I wanted to give like baddie. Like there's a difference. Like some girls with the short hair, they look auntie like. I didn't want to give you auntie, and if I was giving you auntie, I needed to be sexy auntie. That's it. Like we needed to give you that vibe. But I really do like this. Believe it or not, I've been nervous to try short hair. I finally tried it, and I'm actually planning on wearing this throughout the summer. So wait for it, sis. Wait for it. She gonna make some, we gotta name her, because she gonna make some new appearances. So what should we name her? I don't know. Comment down below what you think I should name this wig, and let me know, and we gonna pick her name. But yeah, so I really love this. This wig came up to $55, I believe, after taxes. If anything, it'll be down in the description box, but I do believe it was $55 after taxes, which is not bad for a short hair frontal wig. I think it's perfect. I did not mind paying that, and it is 100% human hair, so like, where could you go wrong? Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.